Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a diamond silver metallic. Underneath it's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 20-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. A gray MB-Tex interior. Pano sunroof. Come around back. GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. And alongside this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, brown eucalyptus wood trim, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in. This one also does come with the illuminated star, which illuminates at night in the grille. We've got steering wheel controls. Also included smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. Dynamic selects for a different driving styles, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE 350 has 45,202 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.